Guys, episode number 2 here of the build. This is a brief rough-in, just dummy fitted everything up where it's roughly going to go, except for the manifold, inlet manifold, which will obviously be here. So we'll have basically a low mount setup. Down in there somewhere is the turbo. Can't see that well. It's a GD8 67R. New turbo line's got to rig them up. Apexi intake pipe. I'm going to try and run the standard airbox. Just because I don't think you need a pod filter. You're going to 300, which I'm not really going that high anyway. And then basically the intercooler piping will come up, follow the standard route through into here, into our PWR intercooler, which sits pretty flush under the radiator support, and I'll just push the radiator back a bit to fit it in. With the S13s you can sort of leave it a bit where it is, because I've got the headlights, I want to retain the headlights. Sort of got to keep it in check. But yeah, that's what it looks like through the front. There will be an oil cooler sitting about here, which is up. The old G-Ready intercooler, that will be going in. But yeah, there's the rough-in, everything bolted up, ready to go in. I'll do a quick video on the installs. Most people know how to bolt stuff on by now, but yeah, once you get everything bolted up, we can send it off to get the pipes made up and hopefully try and get it started and running again, give it a tune on the dyno. All good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in episode 3, installation.